Listen here, y'all. Every patio, balcony, front porch, all in between needs outdoor privacy. I'm going to show you how to create outdoor privacy on a very, very low budget. No tools needed, no experience. Actually, almost no time. It's going to be quick, fast, cheap, and cute. If you like what you hear already, hit the like button and subscribe.
I can't get it out of my mind. You know I think about it all the time.
Redefine decor. The sun's out, the birds are chirping. In other words, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Words from an OG. All you want to do, sit there and chill, maybe read a little bit. Then you look over and see these. And then worse, that people. Listen, my neighbors are actually pretty fine people. I'm actually very blessed to have good neighbors. I'm actually the problem. I'm putting privacy up to protect them from seeing me in my PJs or who knows what else during quarantine life. Is rough out there. Anything goes during quarantine life. That's why privacy is a must. I'm just short on time and on cash, so this project is perfect. It's very rent friendly, budget approved, and it's perfect for an instant Instagram background. All right, first, all you need is a clothing rack. Target sells garment racks for $9. You can find clothing racks anywhere, even on Craigslist if you're brave. Shall we start building? Now it's time to put the curtains on. I got these curtain racks from Home Depot. You can get curtain hooks from anywhere. Seriously, like even IKEA sells some pretty cool ones. The Target garment rack is already the span of 4 feet, which is perfect for what I need. But if you need something a little bit longer, all you have to do is take off one of the sides or both of the sides and then put a shower rod, a curtain rod, and then spray paint it to match the color. I just placed the curtains to see if I have enough room to do some cool patterns, cool design. Again, I got these curtains from the thrift store for only $7. So check out your local thrift store. That's embarrassing. And I'm just doing this faux pleated curtains. It makes every curtain looks great. It just enhances every curtain, even these $7 thrift store curtains. Take a section. I start from the middle that way, and we're doing 4 fingers roughly. Then with your thumb, just put the curtain in there, and you make sure that it's horizontally straight on both sides. Pinch it and fold it. You see that? Then you just, and that's it. You get a nice faux pleated look from the front. You can see how it's starting to develop it in the back almost. So all I'm doing is put a small bead of hot glue on the inside and then quickly put it on the end of the closing rack. Then take your hot glue and put another small bead on the back of the outside to connect the end cap and the closing rack. And that's going to give it extra support, and it's good to go. Target's garment rack is already standing at 5 feet, but you can add crates for style and for height. And now you can create a private oasis for less than $40. Just add some faux vines and twinkle lights, and this could be an instant Instagram background for sure. Anyways, I love you. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every view and every subscriber. Have a great week. I'll see you next time. And don't forget to redefine your moment. Bye.